Now, the Supreme Court has pulled up the Italian envoy, saying that he cannot be trusted anymore. In fact, the Supreme Court has also asked him not to leave the country. Next hearing in this case is now going to be on the 2nd of April. Remember, Daniel Mancini had personally negotiated the release on the bail of the two Marines last month, enabling them to return to Italy to vote in the country's general election. And in fact, Rhythm is with us, getting us more details. Now, Rhythm, take us through what actually happened in the court. And this is actually now going to be a very long battle now.
In fact, one of the first times today, let me just start by saying that the Chief Justice of India was so angry, so livid at what had happened. He actually started off by asking relevant questions to Mukul Rohatgi, who's appearing for the Italian ambassador. But at the end of it, when Mr. Rohatgi said that do not, there is no need to pass an order in which you are telling us the Italian ambassador will not leave the country, at that point of time, the Chief Justice of India, Justice Kabir, getting extremely angry. He said, stop being so naive. We don't trust the Italian ambassador anymore. Do not tell us he will not violate this undertaking also. We also believe he has no immunity, but we will see that matter on the 2nd of April when the Supreme Court will once again hear the case. They have for now given time till the 22nd of March when the Italian Marines have to be brought back to India. It's only if they are brought back that some concession will be made by the top court, but the top court making it crystal clear they are extremely angry at the violation of that undertaking.